Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm coming with you a U-part wig, you guys. So this is my first time using the U-part wig, and I'm so excited. Okay, so they did have a wig cap in there, so it's 2 in there, and you know, got their card in here. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you buy from them on Amazon. Alright, so let's get into the video. So this right here is the 18-inch, and it's a deep wave. This is my favorite texture wig. And right offhand, it had no shedding because I did play with it off camera. So it had no shedding and it had no smell. So with this unit, it has, I believe it had 5 combs in this unit. I think it was 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 in the middle. But I can't remember. I have to grab it right quick to see though. But yes, so make sure whenever you do use this U-part wig, make sure you have your own hair braided down so the combs can attach to your hair, so the wig be secure on your head. Okay, so I'm just cutting off the little stringy bands that was on this unit. I'm just cutting that off so my hair can go through there perfectly. So you have to do that when you have a U-part wig. You cut the little bands out of the wig basically. So that's what I'm doing, and I have to say I love this U-part wig. So right here, I just had my hair in twisted. It's like a few days, I say about maybe 5-day old twist. So I'm just going to put the stocking cap on the back of my hair, and we're gonna go from there. So with these twists, I should have put rollers at the bottom of my twist, but I didn't pay it no mind. I didn't pay no attention to that. But I know some people like to wet their hair and put gel and all that on their hair. But my hair already has a little bit of twist and hold product in it, but I didn't want to do all of that with this unit. But I will do it maybe next week, or leave a comment below if you want to see this hair wet with my hair also, because I know some people do like to do that. So I'm just securing the unit right now on my hair. Alright you guys, so right now I'm just getting the feel of this unit. I already secured the combs into my hair, so now I'm just going to take out my twist out. So with this twist out, I should have had curled my ends, but I didn't. I mean, if I had curled my ends, it would look so flawless. Like, oh my god, it would look so flawless. So that's my only issue with my own self. So that, excuse me you guys, I should have curled my ends. Other than that, I love this U-part wig. Like, if you're looking for any kind of texture wig or hair, go with the deep wave or water wave. You can't go wrong. All you have to do is add water and mousse to your hair, to the wig, whatever wig you buy. But I'll make sure I'll show you what it looks like wet and all of that along with my hair, so you get the gist of what I'm talking about. But yes, I love this U-part wig, you guys. So I'll link everything in the description bar down below. But right here, I'm just trying to blend everything in to be seamless. So let me know what's your thoughts on this U-part wig. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Please like, subscribe, and notification bell, and bye.